There you go. Hey. Hey, come on, put it down. Don't eat no more. We got supper coming here. Get ready? All right, my turn. Gracie got done beating it. Now, Daddy, tag team. Tag me. Tag me with your other hand. My turn. All righty, Bo, let's go. Let's get that dough and beat it down. You got to really knead it in there. You got to knead that dough. You got to knead it really good. You got to go, go, go. Knead that dough. Go, go, go. Knead that dough. Brando, what'd you do to me? What do you think you're doing? You got to make sure you got the stickiness out. All righty, you got to go boom, 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 boom. Yeah! Ride him, cowboy. Oh, yeah, I want to smack that. Smack it. Smack it, smack it, smack it, smack it. Wah, wah, wah. Gotta get it all right on the edges. We gotta make it all nice and flat. Hello, hello. This is when we get a chance to take out aggression, isn't that right, Gracie? Now look at that. Look at this. Don't throw it on me, sweetie. Now watch this, watch this. He's just sitting there all nice and neat.
Let me.
Until.
Let me.
Hey, this is my turn.
I'm ready, Daddy.
You're ready?
Yes.
Well, this is almost done.
Stop.
Hold on. All right. Now let's roll them out real quick. Hold on, let me roll them out.
Can I roll them out?
Hold on. I'll let you do it too. Let me check him. All right. There we go. What are you doing?
See this? See this? See this flour?
All right. See, people back in the day when they made bread, they put all their heart and soul into it. When your grandma Jansen made bread, she did a great job. Oh, her bed was outstanding. My grandma Coon, my grandma, which would be your great grandma, made bread, and all your aunts made bread. Oh, it was so good. You have no clue how good it was. But one thing you gotta do is you can here, keep it up. Hold on. Gracie, no, Gracie, it's backwards now. Remember, it's the front camera. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay, go. Man, Grace. Keep going. Go, Gracie, go. Beat it. Hey, you wanted to beat it. You know what? If you're not going to beat it, I'm going to take over. Beat it. Beat it good. We're not allowed to kick, scream, bite human beings, but when it comes to bread, hey, don't get it everywhere, okay? Good job. Keep it down there. Hey, control where you're hitting now. Remember, keep hitting towards the middle and work it to the outside. There is a method to my madness. Good. I think that's about got it, sweetie. Let's take a look.